What up, scrollers, and welcome back to the J Apple Spot. And in this video we're gonna be seeing that how you guys can keep this kind of a live wallpaper on your Mac OS. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video itself. So in this video we aren't using any kind of an VLC player or any other software. We are using a very specific software for our live wallpaper, and this software is very reliable in the Mac OS. So the first step, as usual, you have to just go to the links down in the description and you open that into the Safari. Once you are here in the Safari, you will be seeing a background.app, and this file is in the .app format. So just double tap this thing up and you will be seeing an download button over here. So just click on download. It will show this message. So don't be panicked because this file is not harmful. It is very safe. So just click download anyway, and the download will start on your download menu. So once the download has been completed, and it will show you to into your download section. So let's open. So first let me turn off this thing up and I'll show you how it's work. Let's close all the windows. So let's open the app, click open, and as you can see, I have set in my background, that's why it's showing this. So this icon will appear over on the toolbar. So just click on that and you can see many options over here. So like if you want to keep a live wallpaper, you will be needing a video wallpaper. So just download video, any video, whichever you want. You can download it from YouTube or any other website. Then you have to just go to the preferences of this software and then go to the themes. Once you are in the themes, then make sure that you are in the video section over here. So once you are in the theme section, then you have to just go to this plus icon and click plus, and your browser will open. Then click any video, whichever video you want to keep. Then just click open and that video will be added to this thing. Once you select that thing up, you will be able to see my background is running. So let's just keep the Itachi wallpaper because it's looking very great. So here are a couple more things that you can do with this software. So again, you have to just go to the toolbar and you will be able to see many of the things. So if you'll click on the time, you'll be able to see this is the real-time time you can see over here. So let's see other thing. If you click on web, then you will be able to see some kind of in 3D, so a 3D wallpaper, like I'm moving my mouse and it is moving where I'm going, and it is moving like that. So you can check your system as well. Once you click on system, you will be able to see some kind of a speedometer, and it will show how much CPU is using, how much data you are receiving, data sent. So this is all these things. So the best one is the video, and we'll be keeping this as a live wallpaper. So that much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, and this is Fabian, so please like and subscribe. Peace out.